we'll be landing at Newark in about 15 minutes. Getting a little blustery up there right now, some winds out of the north at about 15 miles an hour. Temperature still about 44 degrees, cloudy skies. Again, it's been a pleasure serving you this evening. We certainly like to get back here with us in the future and another American Airlines flight. And at this point, we would like the flight attendants to please prepare the cabin for landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for landing, please bring your seat back to the upright position, close and lock your tray table. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, and please turn off all electronic devices. Flight attendants will pass through the cabin one final time to pick up any remaining service items. We will be landing soon.